بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. First of all, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am telling you, all Muslims, to listen carefully, whether they are the rulers of the time or ordinary Muslims. The language that our Prophet will utter against the Prophet Muhammadﷺ in the last days will be cut off. If a dog or bitch barks and insults the honor of our Prophet Muhammadﷺ, then open your ears and listen. The followers of Prophet Muhammadﷺ are alive, and we will not give anyone the slightest opportunity to insult or slander our esteemed Prophet, the last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The government appealing from time to time to hang such people in the crossroad and kill them. The government should stop these intricate tongues. We can cut off my head especially for my last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Remember, I can also cut off his heads. I will tear it apart. Muslims, raise your voice and prove that you are follower. Surely you will the ruler and you will be successful. Thank you.